Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion for Business SOP strategy, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Notion website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Notion account. Click the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a login link from Notion. Open the email and click on the login link. Once redirected, you will be logged into your Notion workspace. If you are part of a business account, make sure to select the correct workspace if prompted. If you have a password set up, you can also enter your password instead of using the email link. For first-time logins, follow any additional prompts for setting up your account. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Review the different sections available on the sidebar. You can customize your workspace or access your templates as needed. For those using Notion for organizations, explore shared pages for team collaboration. Now you are ready to start using Notion for your business strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.